Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be cleansing and styling my hair using my Diva by Cindy products. Stay tuned. So I'm starting off by cleansing my hair with the stimulating shampoo, which is made with a truly unique therapeutic formula designed to gently and deeply cleanse your hair and scalp. Next up, I'm going in with the stimulating conditioner, which was designed to rebuild the moisture base, draw moisture to damaged areas, and to help prevent breakage. Now both the shampoo and conditioner both gave a tingling sensation to the scalp and left my hair feeling clean and moisturized. So now I'm going in with the leave-in detangling conditioner, which eliminates dryness, brittleness, and limpness. And I'm not a big fan of spray leave-in conditioners, but this one definitely got the job done. Now for styling, I'm doing a twist and curl using the CurlPop Curl Hydration. This product is very creamy. It adds moisture to your hair, has a nice amount of slip, and gave me a great hold. So I'm just going in and taking medium sections of hair and adding the CurlPop Curl Hydration, making sure to completely detangle that piece, and then I'm doing a 2-strand twist about 75% down, and then once I get towards the end, I'm adding my perm rod to the end of it. And I'm just going to complete these same steps throughout my hair. So this is my first time trying the Diva by Cindy products, and when I say I am impressed, I am impressed. These products were created by a former registered nurse and veteran salon owner, and she created these products to promote the growth of long hair, healthier hair, with products that are natural and alcohol-free. So I know that for some people, when they do the twist and curl, they will twist all the way down to the bottom and then add the perm rod. I like to twist about 75 to 80% down and then just add the perm rod at the bottom. I feel like I get better definition that way. Let me know in the comments which way you like best. So I've been trying some different styles lately. I've done a twayed out and also a 3-strand twist. So excited about both of those styles. I know that a lot of people do those braid outs, which I haven't mastered yet, but I'm working on it. Let me know in the comments, are you team braid out or team twist out? So as you can see, CurlPop is giving me moisture, definition, and shine. So the key to a bomb twist out for me is making sure that you are using moisturizing products, making sure that your hair is completely detangled, making sure that you twist tightly to get that definition in there. Of course, making sure that your twists are dry before taking them down. And then in order to make your style last longer, the less you separate and fluff on day one, the longer your style will last. Let me know your twist out tips in the comment section below. So I know I'm not the only one that this happens to, when that perm rod comes apart as you are rolling. Most frustrating experience ever. So here we are on the last section, and again I'm going in with my curl pop, detangling, twisting it about 75% down, and then adding my perm rod to the end. And now that my hair is completed, I'm just going to let it air dry throughout the day. So here we are, ready for the takedown, and I am so excited to see my results. As you can see, my twists are looking juicy, the curls at the end are looking defined, my hair has a shine to it, it is moisturized, and it has a nice amount of hold. So now that all of the rollers are out, I am going to go in and separate each one of the twists. Now let's get into this definition. Loving it. So now that my twists are all unraveled, I'm just going to go in and separate just a little bit further. So of course we all know that I'm going in with my pick just for a little added volume. I'm just going back in just to do a little more separating and making sure that the shape is exactly the way that I want it. So I'm going to give you a 360 so that you can see the final results, and I am definitely loving this look. Make sure that you check in the description bar so where you can purchase these products, and you can also use my discount code, which I will also leave in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.